to Yardie's Kitchen. Today we are gonna be trying to, expose this fruit, this flower to my audience, and I know most of you have experience with it, but we're gonna do our best to show you how it can be done, what good ways you can utilize it. It is the artichokes, guys, the artichoke. And so today in Yardie's Kitchen, we're gonna try our best to do some artichoke. Remember, the first thing you want to do is you want to clean up your artichokes, right? And as you can see, just take the knife and cut off the rough edge, the spiny edges. Yeah, I allow my artichokes to stay in the fridge a little bit longer, so it develop a little brownness. And if you want the discoloration to go, you just use some lime, clean off the stem, because alright, let me show you something. Right around in this area is where you're really gonna eat, so you want to clean off the stem, as much as possible, and pretty much just get rid of all of these rough looking sections here. You just take your scissors and you're just gonna cut off the tips, because you don't really eat the tips. Alright, so you want to clean this up as much as possible, and that's what I'm gonna do, and then start the process of cooking it. Now in this pot I have my trusty Chinese steamer, yeah, and you just basically place this like that, and you have you end up with a nice steamer. And my subscribers hold me to a high quality expectation, so I want to make sure I do it right. But in this case, I'm not gonna steam it, yeah man. I think I'm just gonna put them in the pot and boil them, yeah, and make sure, because you see, it's the first time I do this thing, guys, and I want to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. And I know that one recommendation is to boil them. So what I've done here is I pretty much wash these off, make sure them clean, clean them up nicely. I think they're looking good, and I'm just gonna add them to my pot and just leave them, let them boil. I'm not gonna try to do anything fancy because I've never used these before, and I want to make sure that they're cooked. And you're gonna leave them to boil for anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour, just to make sure that this part is it pulls off easily when you are trying to eat it, because this is what you're really gonna eat. And then we work our way down into the choke, into the middle part of it, and I'll show you how to clean up that part when we get to that part. Okay, so now we're gonna leave these to boil for a while, and then when we return, them supposed to finish boil, I'm gonna drop maybe 2 cloves of garlic in this, and I'm gonna put a little salt, because we always have to flavor our thing. We can't just make it just taste. So you know what I say? So yeah, I'm gonna put 2 cloves of garlic in this, and then some salt, and hey, we take it up on the next level. You know what I say? You see. It's been about 45 minutes or thereabouts, and I've just turned the stove off. And how you know that your artichoke is cooked is that once the leaves can be pulled as easily as they are now, you know that your artichoke is fully cooked. Alright, so we're just gonna leave this to cool so we can handle it, and then we finish up. Now if you notice how the inside of the leaf, you see that white section there, that's where you're gonna eat. That's what you're gonna eat. Alright, that white section there, you're gonna use your teeth and scrape that white section off, and yeah, and then you get down into it. I'll show you as we progress how this thing work out. Alright, okay guys, so this is the finished artichoke, just boiled. And what I have here is some garlic, olive oil, a little bit of honey, and some lime juice. Just a simple little dip, right? And the idea is that you pretty much just peel off a leaf, you dip it in the dip, and you don't have to dip it if you don't want to dip it, right? And then you have it, yeah. So the wife, you gotta try it and tell me if it's nice. And then pretty much what you do is just scrape off. Yeah? That's how you eat it. Yeah? You like it? But the dip too is tangy, right?
Yeah, I don't think it needs a dip actually, because it has a nice potato type taste. Yeah.
Tastes like potato.
Kinda, to me.
Yeah,
and it's creamy and buttery.
So if you have a ranch dressing, now if you want dressing, as you say, you don't have to use dressing, you know. But if you want use it like that, you can use it, and you pretty much just eat round the leaf until you get to the center. And when we get to the center, I'm show you the rest of it. All right? Yeah, man. All right, so we eat down to the middle part, right? And with the middle part, you just want to ease off the whole of this and this throw it. You understand?
Are you serious?
Yeah, you just throw this.
I thought that was the main event.
No, this is not the main event. This is the middle section of the artichoke. And then what you want to know is this piece here. If you look here, you see some fuzzy thing. See that fuzzy eerie part? Look, this can't eat. Alright? So you pretty much just want to take your spoon and scoop out the whole of this. See? All of them here. Because this is a flowers, you know. The artichoke is actually a flowers. And these are the petal.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So you want to scoop out the whole of the petal here. Because this fuzzy and can't eat. And so when you scoop out that now, get rid of this. But left, this is the artichoke. This is the part where everybody use make dip. You understand? You can just crush up this. You know? And you can add your own ingredients to this. And you can eat it just as it is. You see what I'm saying? So right now what you want to do is, if you want to eat this like this, you can't eat it because, I mean, as the wife said, it have a potato type of taste. You know, you can add your little ingredients to it, you know, and make a dip. And yeah, and these are the real thing right here. So if you go see them have artichoke dip in a buckle, you know, you just add your ingredients to it, and you like it come like mashed potato right now. So you can try that in your neck of the woods. Pretty much what we're gonna do is, after we done eat down through our artichoke, we're gonna work with this and make some dip. You understand what I'm saying? You want to try it?
I'm gonna try when we get some chips to eat it with.
I hear you.
Chips and dip.
I hear you. Hey, Yardie belly not foreign.
Oh, hold on. I have chips.
Oh, sharp chips. Oh boy. And you can put a little mayonnaise, a little sour cream, you know, whatever you want to put with it, you can put and make it into your own little, you know, make it into your own vibe, your own taste. And it's a versatile, very versatile food. How that taste?
Good, man.
Hey, Yardie belly not foreign, folks. Me go that try make up the rest. Maybe me share the finishing, maybe not. But hey, artichoke, that's what the thing said. New eating around here. Okay guys, so here I have just a handful of spinach, and to that I put a little bit of parsley, and I have my artichoke here. That I will just pretty much add to it. And I'm gonna make artichoke and spinach dip. Yeah, this is the artichoke. To that I did add a little bit of Mediterranean salt and a little bit, maybe one tablespoon of cream cheese. And I'm just gonna blend this now and just make it into my artichoke dip with spinach. Yeah, classic spinach and artichoke dip. Yeah, trust me. So there you have it, folks. Yeah, classic homemade spinach and artichoke dip. And as you can see, I have some little root vegetable chips and tortilla chips and whatever else you want to eat with it. Even bread. You could have sliced some pita bread and toast them in the oven You know, whatever you want, eat with it. Yeah? And remember, it's not so everybody make for them one. Me just make it my way. The spinach is raw. And as you know, you can eat raw spinach. It's good for you. So I recommend this, you know, as a little hors d'oeuvres, lunch idea, whatever you want. Right? Utilize up the food them where they are foreign and make the best of them. You like it, babes?
Love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because remember me tell you, a yard really in a foreign, you know. Spinach, artichoke dip. I like it. It look good. It look foreignishy.
Very foreignish.
It look very foreignish. Trust me. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Big up to all my new subscribers. Big up to everybody who's been around for a while. Hey, continue to comment and share your thoughts with us. We love it and we really and truly appreciate everybody. Blessings.